Hi, do you like brownies? I know I do. If you like brownies, today's show is the show for you. I'm Ralph, welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Grease, in this case, we're going to do it in a cast iron skillet. So grease that with unsalted butter. I've already got that taken care of, as you can see here. Now I'm going to take that excess butter out. Next, 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter into a bowl, along with, in this case, I'm using avocado oil. You could use canola oil, but I tend to stay away from canola oil and the other seed oils. I'm going to be putting this in the microwave until it's melted. Be right back. Okay, as you can see, the butter, the oil is melted. I'm going to take about half of the chocolate chips. And we're going to be trying to get those pretty well melted up as well. Okay, I've got the chocolate chips in there pretty well. Let me set that aside for a moment. Now, I'm going to be putting in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Going to be putting in 2 eggs. My granulated sugar. And I'm going to have all of the directions and the exact ingredient list down below in the directions. I've got my brown sugar. Now it's time to take the whisk to it. Okay, it's looking pretty good right now. I'm going to be adding a little bit of flour. Some cocoa. Some salt and some baking soda. And we're going to be folding all of that in. Now that's looking terrific. Now I'm going to add more of the chocolate chips into it. Now these chocolate chips can be a little bit intense. So I kind of thought about maybe not quite putting all of them in, but what the heck. Gotta get those all folded in. So here's how it looks for right now. At this point, I'm going to be pouring all of this into my cast iron dish, the skillet. You're going to want to make sure that you put in lots of butter to lubricate this dish. Get that smoothed out. This is going to be your preference. I like nuts. Some people don't like nuts. Some people can't have nuts. So this is the totally optional part. But I am going to be adding some chopped pecans to the top of it here. Help if I had a little bit bigger hole in the bag. Okay. Maybe a lot bigger hole in the bag. Don't trust the bags that say cut here. Obviously, that was wrong. And like I say, I like nuts. I'm gonna go ahead and use this whole bag. Not that it was all that big of a bag to begin with. And we are ready to go into the oven. Now, if you like your brownies kind of that fudgy texture, leave them in for about 32 minutes at the 350 degrees. If you like them a little bit chewier, then leave them in for about 40 minutes. And I will see you shortly. Okay, we're back. It's done baking. I let it cool on the kitchen grate, on the countertop grate, for about an hour. So now it's time to try it out, see what it's like. And of course, what would a brownie be without a big scoop of ice cream? So if we're going to treat this right, we gotta dress this up a little bit. Check this out. Looking pretty good, huh? Get a little bit of the brownie, a little bit of the ice cream. That is very, very good. This is excellent. This was so easy to make. You've got to try this. Trust me, you have really got to try this. Let me try some of this crust here. Now the very edge of the crust, this kind of reminds me of some of those brownie chips that you get at the store. Just as good. Gotta have another bite. Wow. This is so incredible. You've definitely got to try this, believe me. If you like it, hit the like button down below. Consider a subscription. Leave me a comment because I love my comments. So until next time, bye-bye.